Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's Congo bringing you guys a white no gameplay. It is the 13th. We're gonna go ahead and get us started with the best. I got Wolfie, Rex, Stat, 3 veterans. We got the commentators out here. So, getting started with no, me and I have not played this before.
Okay, follow me.
Congo, are you the girl?
Make a train, just make a train. Stay behind me.
Congo, you want me to keep the echo?
Congo, are you behind Wolfie?
And on our left, if you look, we just see a whole bunch of broken glass. And you see like a Buddhist statue, like right in front of it.
Congo?
We're looking for recordings.
Congo, which one's you? Are you the guy?
Are you the guy?
Yeah, unplug the echo. Are you the guy, Congo? The chick? Are you the chick? Congo, are you the chick? Congo, we're too far behind. I can hear your noise. Guys, how do I sprint? How do I sprint?
No, don't freaking sprint yet.
Wait for me. I don't want to be the last.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Got some work to do now.
I'm really scared. Like, I don't want to be in the lead. Wolf, you go. I'm gonna, like, jump it. Wait, why is there blood prints right there?
Because that's the game. Blood prints, let's follow them.
There's a shadow right in front of Wolfie, so I can't see him. If Wolfie dies, I'm running. I don't know how to run.
You don't die that fast. Oh, I hear tape recording.
Oh god. What's that noise?
Oh god. It's just that we found a tape recording, so it's getting scarier and scarier.
I'm like crapping myself right now.
That's me, I'm the first time to play this.
I hear something. I don't want to look at it. I'm just following Wolfie.
I'm looking around. Where should we go? This way?
Yo, React, he's right behind you. He's grabbing your neck.
So, we had to run if we ever get caught.
Right trigger.
Am I the only one that hears voices?
I see the statue! Oh my god!
Run! Go away. Just go away, it's fine.
I'm dead.
This way.
Which way?
I'm scared. I was scared.
Let's go back this way. Let's go back this way.
I got lost.
I hear. Where are you guys? Where are you? Everyone team up. Come over here.
I saw the step.
He's over to our left.
Falling Wolfie, did Stat die?
No.
I don't know where. Oh, there he is.
Oh, thank God, Stat. Just died by yourself.
Let's go this way.
Days.
I
hear
a radio. I hear a radio. I see it.
I stared at her good 10 seconds.
I'm really scared.
Right trigger.
To do what? To run?
Over there. Don't go that way. If you see a statue, don't go towards it. Don't go that. Stick together. We'll lose our sanity if we don't stick together.
Wolfie, I don't want to die.
Don't look in that corner. Don't look in that corner. Do whatever you do. Do not look in that corner.
Where are you guys? Where are you? I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Oh,
Who's screaming?
Get out of there.
Who's screaming?
He died.
Congo. Who died? I don't want to know who died.
I did.
That died.
Shit. We're
Oh,
gone.
it's so cool after you die. You can walk around.
Yeah, I know.
You can walk around.
Can I scare you?
Where?
Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you? Oh, he's right there.
What do you mean?
I don't want to die.
Go
I don't
right,
want to
go
be
right.
fired.
Go right.
Oh, never mind! Never mind! What was that?
Wait,
Six
where
feet?
to go? Where to go? I don't know where to go.
No, I want sisters. I'm scared.
Oh god. Okay, where do we go?
What?
You can tell us where the recordings are once you're dead.
Oh, where is he?
Ah! Go this way, go this way.
Where?
I hear one, but I just don't know where it is.
Oh my god,
Oh,
there he
what
is, there's the dead body.
No, don't die. There's a ghost behind you. There's something there. Something laying there. There's something, or will be what's up.
I believe that's
Oh, I
his
hear it.
remains.
I hear it.
That's
but I
a
can't.
what? Statue!
Go around it.
Yo, is it
Around
weird
it.
that there right now?
I'm freaking out. I got stuck too. You're dead. You're gone, or Congo. Bye.
Selma. Oh,
You
it's
can't.
so
Oh,
far away.
oh, God.
What room are you in? What room are you in? What room are you in? Oh, I see flashlights.
I don't wanna die.
I see flashlights. I see flashlights.
Wait, you come back alive?
Yeah, no. Stay where you are. Stay
Are
where
you a ghost?
Coming to you. Yeah, I am.
You a ghost? Oh, okay. That's what Congo saw. Congo.
Don't
If
look
you see a
that.
ghost,
Don't look that way.
that's-
Don't look that way.
I'm in this big room. Oh, I found.
That thing that was laying down earlier scared the crap out of me.
Wait, stay where you are.
I know.
Stay where you are. Stay where you are. I'm coming to you.
Dude, he's right on our ass. We can't stay where we are.
I see you. I see you. I see
He's
you.
following us?
Just turn around. Just
Yeah.
turn around. I'm following
We
you.
can't
Right now.
see you. We don't see you.
I know. Just turn around. You might be able to see me.
Shit, he's right behind us. I don't want there. Congo, he's behind you. You can turn around. You can.
Ah! He's right in front of us.
He
Oh,
just.
I see you. What's up, dude? I see you.
Oh, man. I'll walk with you. I'm walking with you. What does it look like? What does it look like?
You look like
I'm scared.
Casper.
Why is the flashlight running out?
It
Turn it
does
off.
that.
Turn it off. I'll tell you if there's anything coming.
Turn off the flashlight.
I turned it off. Yeah,
Keep walking. Keep
I'm
walking.
done. We're dead.
Keep on left. Go left. Go left.
Oh, keep running. Don't look, Wolfie.
Okay,
Where is
okay.
he? I can't see him. You have to try this dead thing.
I hear it.
That's
There's a
you
radio.
are recording.
It's a statue. Don't go over there. Don't not go over there.
Okay,
It's a statue.
okay.
I want to find out where the other radios are. I want my mommy.
Oh god. Well, I don't even know where to go. Like,
Go right.
I'm scared of it. I want to go into the forest.
my volume is all the way up, dude. I'm crapping.
Alright, I need to turn mine more.
Ah! Don't look at it.
I'm dead. We're dead. We're gone. Oh, Wolf! He's behind you! Look! Don't look! Keep running! Wolfie, you gotta run! You gotta run!
Always running.
I know! I don't want it!
What's up?
Something just hanging. It was.
Look at your body, look at your body, look at your body.
Oh god.
Do you see me? Wait, look
I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
Why are you leaving me? I don't want to go by myself.
Is it weird that I have a boner right now?
Wait, dude. Wait.
Oh, I hear radio, I hear radio.
Terracotta soldiers. We got 3. Oh my god, we're gonna die. We're gonna die right here.
Guys, we're in nightmare mode. And 2 of us already dead.
How do you die?
Are you dead?
How do you die? Does it like jump in front of you or something? Never turn around. Never turn around. Oh god! Oh god! Wolfie, keep going.
Who's alive? Oh.
Uh oh.
It's just me and React. Oh god.
Look at this, look at this.
Oh, yeah, radio! We found the radio!
Another one. We're gonna live. We're gonna live. No, we're about to die. We're about to die. Wolfie, he's right behind us. Don't even.
Oh my god, do you hear that
Listen, you
freaking...
got farther than
Oh
me
my
and
god.
Me and Wolfie got farther. Me and Wolfie got us to 3 on normal. We're on nightmare, and you guys already got 4.
Well, it's 4 of us, dude.
Yeah, we already passed that.
I hear him.
Oh, really?
Oh, he's right behind us!
Oh!
Ah!
I'm running! I just split up from you. Where
I'm right here, I'm right here,
Oh
I'm right
god,
here.
keep going, keep going, keep going.
Alright, go right, go right, go right. Go right, go right, go right.
I don't want to. Wolfie, why are you running so? Ah! Holy shit!
Ah, you're dead! You're dead! I'm alive! I'm the last one!
I died.
I'm the last one! You guys left me alone! Help me! Help!
I died.
Help! No, I don't... my computer's not on, dude. Oh god.
That was
He's right behind me!
I didn't even know what happened. I wasn't fast enough, and also they just turned me around and like eat my soul.
Dude, my character's like breathing hard.
Let's go to
Guys,
the
come
floor.
find me. I need help.
Different
I need
Sit
help.
down. Let's sit down.
Guys, come
I don't
find
know.
me. I'm scared.
I'm in this with haunted dance. I found a radio for you.
Guys, come find me. I'm scared. Oh my god.
I found a radio.
I don't know. I'm
I'm
near
at
these
a
Asian warriors.
No, I'm at a radio. I'm at a radio right now.
Someone come find me, dude. I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. I gotta do
I'm at a radio right now. There's a whole bunch of vases.
Help me. Dude, I'm alone. I'm alone. What do I do?
Wait,
What do I do?
could you still see him with your ghost?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where do I go? I don't even know where I'm going.
I know.
Oh
where-
god, that's dead end. That's a dead end.
I found some. Did he die?
No, I'm still alive. Hey,
I found the radio. I found a radio.
Where? I literally,
At the
I literally
pottery
went through. Oh my god! I literally went through an entrance, and he was right in the the left side against the wall. And I was looking right at me.
The pottery place. I'm at the pottery place. We could get there.
I don't know where you are. Show me. Come find me. Someone come find me. Guys, I have no idea where you are. Like, come find me. I have a flashlight on.
Yeah, I found the benches too. I'm to you. Come here. Look, I'm a ghost. I see you. Turn around.
Behind me!
Both of you, turn around. Look it. Follow me. I found the
He's
box.
right
We can
behind
go
me.
There. Come here.
He's right behind me, guys. I can't do anything. I
Come
am.
here, guys. Come in here. You hear it? That's the it. Let's wait in here.
Dude,
Let's
I'm
wait in
losing
here.
my sanity. I'm losing my sanity.
This is how me and Wolfie got stuck. We were in here.
Yeah, I got stuck here too. You get stuck in that area, right?
We're stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys got stuck already. You get stuck in
There's
that
a
thing
statue.
there.
There's a statue. Oh my god.
I'm stuck.
Alright, everybody go down these 3 different...
Someone find me!
What the heck?
I've been
Everybody
alone
split up!
forever!
Everybody go into 3... Everybody, you just go different ways. You gotta find him. You gotta help
Look at me in
him.
the statue. I'm up in the air.
I already did that. Yeah.
I just flew. How do you fly?
Everybody go 3 different ways. I'm already in one way. I'm right next to a bunch of benches.
Guys, come find me! Oh my god, I'm crapping my pants over here.
I can't move. Just saying.
Dude, I'm...
I hear whispering. I just got scared.
Oh my god.
Guys, the best is when you watch the replay.
Yeah, the best
You
part
can
is
watch.
when you watch the
You
replay.
can watch a replay.
Yeah, watch. Are you guys watching the replay?
No, it's gonna die.
I die right there. So.
I'm watching the replay right now. I'm watching the replay right now. Shows us watching that. Alright, stat. No, we found a little base. That's where stat dies.
Yeah, there you go.
No, that's an encounter. That's an encounter. Those are encounters, yeah. This is insane. We're running. Look at stat like all the way to the side.
That's where I die. No, yeah, now I'm dead.
No, not yet.
Yeah, the
There. No, you two got split apart right there. You guys dead right there? Oh, yep. And Wolfie's all by myself. I'm a ghost. Look at me. I just walked around the same exact place for like 100 hours. You guys died. Some more scribbles, and then he died right here.
You guys want to play a different one?
I want to play a
let's go.
different map, yeah. This is insane.
Yeah, dude, where are you guys talking? I just came in and you guys are all quiet.
Let's do a different map. I'm like extremely celibate here.
That's me. I'm not
Part 2.
Part 2.
No, I'm following this
Part
retarded. Like, she looks emo. This chick wants to cut herself. That's Wolfie. Alright, let's go.
Nah, I'm being leader. Let the Congo be the leader since he's recording.
Yeah, you're recording. Alright, everybody follow Congo. We're gonna die. That scared me.
He's right to your left. Don't look left. Don't look left. He's right there.
I didn't see him. I'm not going to the cabin. Everybody go. Alright, I guess stay big.
Go in this cabin.
Girl, there's 2 of them. It's like a little campground. I'm in.
We should just watch our doors. Just watch the doors. Camp it out. Wait till morning. We should go find some. We should go cut down the tree and find some sheep. And make
I hear something. I got it.
Wait, where's Wolfie? Where's Wolfie?
Doobie doobie doo.
Where are you?
You see this monument over here? We're going to that.
I hear him. I heard him.
It's snowing right now. That's my last game.
I turned him off. I hear something. That's a stat. Everybody keep running.
Dude, he's right to our right, he's to our right, he's to our right, he's to our right, he's run.
Are you guys all following me?
I don't know, I'm following.
Did you run into the statue? Who died? How
I'm
many
running to the
people died?
statue, I'm running to the statue, I'm running to the statue.
Screw you guys. You guys are dicks.
Leave him alone.
He left me alone.
Wait, turn around, whoever's dead, and run to the light.
Oh, alright. I'll run into him.
I see who's crossing the creek, who's crossing the creek? You're dead. How long was that? How long was that?
You guys cannot survive worth the crap.
Well, dude, nobody wanted to, you didn't want to do it. You ran into it. Again.
No, I didn't.
How did you die?
Guys, we should do
I
a
died
Minecraft
'cause-
Let's Play. We should do a Minecraft Let's Play.
We should do Minecraft. We should. I feel like doing, checking out Congo's video.
A building thing.
I'm looking at the video that Congo had last night.
What was that?
Congo. Put on the new video.
And his mic. Yo guys, we should do a Minecraft Let's Play for...
Congo, put on the new video.